Master proofreading with the reading backward technique. Hello learners! Today, we are going to explore an incredibly useful, yet often overlooked technique to master your proofreading skills. It's called reading backward. This technique is incredibly handy when you're aiming to catch typos, grammatical errors, or awkward phrasing in your written English. So, what exactly is reading backward? The name gives a pretty good hint. Instead of reading a piece of text in the usual way, from start to finish, you actually begin from the last word and move to the first. This technique forces you to look at each word individually, making it much easier to spot errors you might have missed otherwise. This strategy works exceptionally well because it disconnects you from the content, allowing you to focus solely on the mechanics of the language, the grammar, spelling, punctuation, and syntax. To use this method, start at the end of your text. Read each word individually, moving backwards through the sentences. It might feel strange at first, but stick with it. You'll likely start noticing errors you didn't see before. For example, consider the sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." Reading it backward would be, dog, lazy, the, over, jumps, fox, brown, quick, the. Like any other technique, reading backward has its strengths and limitations. Strengths. 1. Great for catching spelling errors. Because you're focusing on each word individually, you're more likely to spot misspellings. 2. Helpful for noticing awkward phrasing. Reading your text in a new way can help you see awkward sentences that might need reworking. Limitations. 1. Less effective for catching meaning-based errors. Reading backward can disconnect you from the content of your writing, which might make it harder to spot errors in logic or flow. 2. Can be time-consuming. This technique requires a lot of focus and can be slower than regular proofreading. Despite these limitations, the reading backward technique is a powerful tool in your proofreading arsenal. Use it in combination with other proofreading strategies for the best results. So, that's the reading backward technique. It's a powerful method that can greatly improve your proofreading skills, helping you spot and correct errors in your writing. It might feel a bit strange at first, but with practice, you'll become a pro at it in no time. Remember, no one method is perfect. The best proofreading strategy is often a combination of several different techniques. Happy proofreading, learners! We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll be able to put these skills to use in your English language journey.